In the majestic landscape of Pakistan, a roar echoes through the valleys and mountains, the roar of a lion, a symbol of strength, courage, and leadership. This roar belongs to none other than Imran Khan, the Lion of Pakistan. Born on October 5, 1952, Imran Khan's journey is as riveting as the man himself. As a child, he excelled in cricket, a sport that would later take him to unprecedented heights. His prowess on the cricket field was undeniable, and in 1982, he captained Pakistan's cricket team, guiding them to their first and only Cricket World Cup victory in 1992. This victory etched his name in the hearts of millions, but little did they know, this was just the beginning. Transitioning from sports to politics, Imran Khan established Tehreek-e-Insaf, a political party, in 1996. Amidst a sea of established political giants, the Lion of Pakistan stood tall, his resolve unshaken. His commitment to justice and a corruption-free Pakistan resonated with the masses, and after a challenging two-decade-long political journey, Imran Khan became the 22nd Prime Minister of Pakistan in 2018. His tenure as Prime Minister, however, has not been devoid of challenges. From accusations of foreign interference to the looming threat of a no-confidence vote, Imran Khan's political journey is a testament to his resilience. Despite these hurdles, he remains steadfast, refusing to bow to pressure and maintaining his commitment to the people of Pakistan. In the international arena, Imran Khan has been vocal about his country's stance on various issues, never shying away from expressing his views. His assertion that Pakistan will not be used as a pawn in international conflicts, particularly in the aftermath of the United States' withdrawal from Afghanistan, underscores his resolve to uphold Pakistan's sovereignty. Even amidst political turmoil, Imran Khan's love for cricket never waned. His praise for the Pakistan cricket team after their valiant effort in the 2020 World Cup final against England is a testament to his enduring passion for the sport. In conclusion, Imran Khan, the Lion of Pakistan, is a beacon of resilience and determination. His journey from a cricketing legend to the highest office in Pakistan is a testament to his unwavering dedication and commitment. His leadership, marked by courage and conviction, continues to shape the destiny of Pakistan, staying true to his moniker, the Lion of Pakistan. His roar, resounding through the valleys and mountains of Pakistan, continues to inspire millions.